Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create custom ringtone on your iPhone. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to install an application, that is GarageBand application. Here you can see I've already installed. Right now you just need to open it. So after open you can find some option, but you just need to find out audio recorder and then open it. So after open, on the top middle there you can see there have some option, but there have a red icon. If you just tap over this red icon, then audio recording already started. Then you can record your audio by your voice or from your computer. So I just tap over this red icon and then audio recording already started. After successfully recorded your audio, then stop it, and then on the top left corner there have a arrow icon. Just tap it and then you can find my songs, select it. So here you can see your recorded audio saving, so you just need to wait. So after saved, just long press over it and then you can find the option rename. Just select it and you just need to rename your audio. So here you can see I set a new name and then done it. So right now you just need to again long press over this audio and then you can find the option share, select it, then select ringtone and select export on the top right corner. Then select OK. Right now let's back. So right now you just need to open your phone settings and then scroll down and you can find the option sounds and haptics, select it and then again scroll down and select ringtone. Right now there have a option my new audio, that's you already recorded, so I select. So right now you can see I successfully select my custom ringtone, and in this way you can very easily create your custom ringtone in your iPhone. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.